Okay, the internet is full of one word. Adult money gadgets.
Adult money gadget. Adult money gadget.
Adult money gadgets.
Okay, that's 3 words, but as kids, we all had that list, that one toy, that one gadget, that one thing we saw in a window or on TV, but for some reason, we always thought we would get it next time. Or you got beaten like me. So we got all the viral adult money gadget that Instagram claims to be gold, and we sort of went a bit overboard as well. So we'll tell you if it's worth it, and we'll rate them in our OG TW style tier rating. Pratik, TechWiser. Let's healing go. Okay, so this first reel has 3 million views. Damn, an RC car that can fly. Hell yeah, let's get it. So this car has this super transparent design. You can see everything inside out, and even like I can touch the fan, the battery. Plus, it's pretty light. Like at the bottom you need to fix the propellers. Also there's a joystick to control the car. Now it goes forward, backward, turns just like a normal RC car. But now is the interesting part. It just flies at the press of a button. I can get better.
A few moments later.
At the press of a button! And the best part, it also has LED lights which makes it easy to spot while flying, especially in low light. Now let's have a fun challenge here. San, bring your own RC car.
It's not just any RC car, it's a transformer RC car.
San, who do you think will win?
Of course me, there's no doubt about it.
We'll see later on. There is one trick up my sleeve.
Woo! My car stuck. My car. Oh my god! What is this? What is this? I thought it was a racing car, not flying drones.
Now do you have anything to say about who will win?
No! Yes! It's out!
So the price is around 3,000 rupees. This is a good adult money gadget. It goes straight up to both tier. Like, I have not seen a flying car. So, straight up. Oh my god, this reel has more than 11 million views. And oh, it's a gaming console. So it looks quite interesting and we got it. So it has this transparent design and the size is quite handy here. But the best part is it has LNR controller type buttons on the back, just like a PS or Xbox gaming controller. There are speakers. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack so you can use your IEMs. But the main highlight of this has to be the display. It looks sharp and it gets pretty bright. Now coming to the juiciest part, it comes with all the classic games preloaded like GTA Vice City Stories, Contra, Tekken and God of War. In fact, it has about 20,000 games, but then after 200-300 games it's all repeated. But seriously, just watching these games takes me straight back to my childhood. Now let's ask the team which one is their favorite game. Shobik, did you ever have a console?
No, I didn't. I was always said, "Baad mein milega."
Has tech.
I won. Yes, I am getting this.
So Sayan, which is your favorite retro game?
Retro game, the classic Spider-Man.
It has Spider-Man.
No. Okay, and this.
Spider-Man have Aunt May?
No, this Spider-Man doesn't have. It has Mary Jane Watson. Yes, he's dead and disappears. Instant cremation. Instant cremation.
Now it also has SD card support so you can sideload even more games and you get a Type-C port that can charge it up. It runs on a battery. Not everything here is perfect, just like life. Sometimes while playing heavy games it lags a bit, but overall I would say it's a very solid product. Just the backup time could have been better, so it goes to the very solid tier. Okay, so now moving on. This looks classic. Let's get it. So there's one game that no matter the age, everyone loves it. It's the classic Tic-tac-toe. But the biggest problem with this game is most of the time the game ends in a draw. So this gadget solves that problem. But how? It just keeps erasing your oldest move until someone actually wins the game. So let's try it out. Can you beat me in Tic-tac-toe?
We'll see.
We'll see. We are Indians. We don't do that. Panni nahi utregi. We are Indians. We don't do that. पन्नी नहीं उतरेगी. ये क्या है? क्या था? And don't worry, if you're single, there's a
Single player mode.
you can always play against the PC. And on top of that, it has piano-like sounds which make the whole experience even more fun while playing it. Plus, it charges via Type-C. Overall, it's good, but at 600, I feel the price is a bit high. And you would get bored of it eventually, so does the job tier. Now moving on to the next one. This feels a bit different And yes, San has already featured this on our Instagram. We also did it in shorts, I guess. You can follow us on Instagram if you haven't already. We do quite a bit of cool gadgets and behind the scenes. This is the 4x4 RC car. You get big chunky tires, aggressive design. It looks like a monster truck with a shooter on the top. Plus it has speakers which plays different sound effects. Keeps the child inside you alive. Now, not only you can drive it in all directions, but it can do that G-spin. Also, it can do that Hummer crab walk. Now, it also has a built-in suspension, and this car, it goes over almost any obstacle. Now, what's interesting here is there's also app support, so you can even control it using your phone. Plus, inside the app, there are AR games as well, which you can play using this RC car. Now comes the coolest thing. See this top section, this is not just for looks. You can actually load and shoot water bullets. Extremely satisfying. This RC car charges via Type-C, which is fun. Now for around 3,000 rupees, this is really fun. So it goes to very solid tier. Now moving on. Remember that viral dog from the IPL? We also did a shorts on it. Now obviously that one cost way too much money for an adult money gadget. This is a mini version of the cyberdog. You get a proper remote and it also has an AI button. You can control the dog normally, make it walk, turn and move around easily. But here's one interesting thing. In the app, you get gyro mode. So if you move your phone, the dog moves along with it. Now this dog can perform a lot of tricks. It can do kung fu, dance around, play music and even do some very questionable actions. Yes, that just happened. Now it is not perfect. There are a few issues, like the build quality is not very strong. And the biggest bummer here is the AI button. Just press it and it keeps yapping random things.
Your blood pressure has risen now.
And for the price of 5,000 rupees, it gets boring after some time. I wish they had a camera or microphone on top of it. You know, it makes it interesting. So I'll just put it to, you know it, I know it here. I didn't want to do this in adult money gadget, but asked for it. Next, scrolling through Amazon, we found this Drift RC car. Now, the remote controller looks unique, and with this wheel, you actually control the steering direction. The response is super fast, and notice this. Whichever direction you turn the car, the indicator light turns on. A small detail, but very realistic. Now, most RC cars are two-wheel drive, but this one is actually four-wheel drive, which means all the four tires spin together. And it can reach a top speed of up to 30 kilometers. Like, personally, this is one of the fastest RC car I have seen. Now, if you want to reduce its speed, then you can do this by using the buttons on the remote. Plus it also comes with barricade props. Also, this is not it. For drifting, you get separate drift tires in the box, so it's easy to remove the tire with this tool. Overall, it costs around 3,500. Like, perfect adult money gadget. Personally, I've never gotten an RC car in my childhood. I got beaten for it and this is the best RC car I have seen. So it goes straight up to the GOAT tier. Now take a look at this. This looks straight up out of Call of Duty or BGMI. I mean, just look at the size. It's big, bulky and looks very realistic. The moment you hold the gun in your hand, you get that feeling. Not like in a good way. Also, you get multiple attachments with it, like this muzzle, and you also get this scope on the top. And when you attach everything to it, you can load this up with real bullets in it. No, just kidding. This uses water bullets. You can either fire one shot at a time or just hold the trigger and let it rip. So now I'll have a gun competition with Shobik. Whoever shoots the shot wins a gift hamper. And yes, now we are coffee with Karan. We reward people for violence. Still better than Gary Minardi. Rocks, papers. Oh shit. I go first. What? If it was not YouTube, I clearly have other professions. Even I was surprised. It's my gift hamper.
So, here you go. Congratulations.
I thought Shobik was overly prepared for this. He would win this, so we'll get a Casio or
Bro, it's Casey.
Casio watch. That's why I wanted Shobik to win this first for me. I mean, it is loud, but honestly, that is the whole point. Overall, as kids, we always wanted a gun like this. Like, I wanted a revolver on Diwali. But the problem with this is if you lose the charging cable, you will lose the fun as well. So because of that, charging is difficult, so it goes to very solid here. So far, the adult money gadgets were good, but something is missing. What are we missing out on?
Bro, is this what I'm thinking? Is it?
Yes, it is. How can an adult money gadget video be complete without Hot Wheels? Like,
No way!
Seriously? As a kid, I always wanted a Hot Wheels set, and to heal myself and every one of us, we have got a double Hot Wheels set. We have a Hot Wheels car and a Hot Wheels track builder. In fact, Abir in TechWiser has these many Hot Wheel cars. Now, all of us in office got so excited that this was us at 12 AM midnight figuring out how to build the track. Now, using all of this, we'll build the biggest Hot Wheel tracks you have ever seen. So now this is the car that we got with Hot Wheels, and now we'll test drive it in the track, pulling back this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. So turns out it doesn't have enough thrust and acceleration to cross beyond this point since it's a large track. So we'll have to introduce slopes at equal distances so that the momentum continues. क्या लगता है दिनेश जी, हो जाएगा? हो जाएगा? ही तो फंसेगा. So that was a fail. That slope trick didn't work. So turns out you need a motorized booster for such a long track, which again is not available in India. Why don't we get good things here? So yeah, can't do that big track. Now honestly, I really like the experience. Like Hot Wheels in itself is a whole world. You get multiple racing tracks, you get different amount of cars. So this would be injustice. Hot Wheels goes to the GOAT tier. Like I can't put it anywhere else on this tier. So yeah, that was us spending adult money on viral gadgets, so you don't have to. If you're buying something just because it's viral, at least you know what's worth it and what's not. Let us know which one was GOAT tier for you and which one was straight up job tier. And if you want a part 2 of this, 10,000 likes, we do that. On that note, this is Vijay signing off. See you in the next video. In fact, 20,000 likes. Pew! Pew pew!